Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to add a page to Shopify menu. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to tap right where you see online store. After tapping on online store, from here what I want you to do next, you can tap on pages. After tapping on pages, you could select add page in the top right hand corner. And from there, you can create a new page. So let's say, for example, you want to create an About Us page. You could simply type in About Us right here. So you could type in About Us real quick. After doing that, from here, you could add the content. So you can set up your About Us page right here. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save. And after you have saved it, all you'll need to do now is go again over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on navigation. After tapping on navigation from here, you're going to tap on main menu. After tapping on main menu, you are going to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Then you're going to see the option add menu item. You're going to tap on that. Then from there, you can type in your page name or the name that you would like to show up on your navigation bar. Then you are going to tap right where you see link. And from here, you are going to tap on pages. Then, for example, remember I created the About Us page. So I'm going to tap on About Us, then tap on add. After it has been added, now to move it into whichever position you want it in. So let's say I want to move it to the top. I can drag it up and I could place it right below home, as you can see right here, or I could put it at the top, but I want it right below home. Then I'm going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once the changes have been saved, you're going to go over to the left hand corner again and you're going to tap right where you see view your online store. And from there, you will now see the About Us section in the navigation bar. So you can see it right here. And by the way, if you want to know how to make a transparent header, as you can see, I have a transparent header at the moment. I have done a video about that. I'll be leaving a link in the description. So you can see the About Us section right here. And also, if you would like to know how to change the hover color of the text, when you hover over the header, as you can see right there, it is blue. You can also watch a video on my channel on how to do that. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.